Are you looking for a move-in ready renovated property? Welcome to 522 West Hamilton here in El Centro, California.
This beautiful renovated property is single story with 2 bedrooms and 1 beautiful bathroom.
And here's the best part. This home sits on a large lot with alley access, perfect for adding an ADU, an additional dwelling unit, or parking multiple cars. For more information about this property, I'm Gisela Sanchez.
I'm Myrna Gonzalez Nájera.
Oh, well, I'm Gisela Nájera Sanchez. And we will see you at the next listing.
See you then.